Hello students, how are you? And welcome to your SST class. Today we will take our chapter The Climate of India and our topic is Seasons of India. So let us start. The first season is cold weather season and that's winter. It is mainly observed in the northern region. So why they have written northern region? Because in southern region there is mild winters. Why? Because in our previous video we have discussed how the latitudinal position is affecting the climate. The southern India is located very near to the equator. That's why it's having mild winter. As we have discussed that if we will move away from the equator, temperature goes on decreasing. Is it clear? So southern part is having mild winters, but the northern part is having chilly winter. In northern India, the winter season begins from mid-November and stays till February. December and January are the coldest months in this region. South India experiences mild winter with the temperature ranges between 24 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, whereas Northern India has chilly winters with the temperature between 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. The days are warm if the sun is out and the nights are very cold. Is it clear? And if we will have a look on the position of the earth, you can see in the picture. So you can see the northern hemisphere of the earth is tilted away from the sun and the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. And the sun is directly upon the tropic of Capricorn. That is, the direct rays of sun are on the tropic of Capricorn. So there is a winter season in our northern hemisphere. So the mountain regions in the Himalayas experiences heavy snowfall, as we have discussed in our previous video, that how the altitude or height from the sea level is affecting the climate. I have told you that if you are very near to the earth, then high temperature is over there, and as we move away from the earth, is it upward, then temperature goes on decreasing. With the advent of 100 meter in height, what happened? 1 degree Celsius temperature is being decreased. In the northern plains, there are cyclonic disturbances from the west and the northwest. These low pressure systems originate over the Mediterranean Sea and the Western Asia, and they move into India. They cause winter rains over the northern plains and snowfall in the mountains. The winter rain is very important for the cultivation of the rabi crops, for example, wheat. Now what happened? Just listen. During the winter season in India, northeastern winds are blowing. How? During winters, what happened? There is low temperature but high pressure on land. The air pressure is high. I have told you that temperature and air is having inverse relation. If temperature will decrease, then air pressure will increase. Now temperature on the land is decreased because of the winter and the pressure has been increased on the land. But there is low pressure on the sea. So wind start moving towards the sea and these winds are very cold. Now when the western disturbances came to India in winter season, because of the anticyclone which is originated upon the Mediterranean Sea, these winds were brought to India. These anticyclonic winds which were originated on the Mediterranean Sea, they were brought to India with the help of westerly winds. These western disturbances are warm wind, and when this warm wind or warm front, that is the western disturbance, it meet with the cold front, that is the northeastern winds which were blowing towards the Arabian Sea or the sea or the ocean in India. They result in frontal or cyclonic rainfall in India. Is it clear? And this winter rain is very important for the cultivation of the rabi crop, for example wheat. Now let us deal with the second season, that is the hot weather season, that's the summers. So in India, the hot weather season lasts from March to May. The summer month is characterized by rising temperatures. Now temperature will rise. And what will happen, as I have told you, that there is inverse relation between air pressure and temperature. And if temperature will rise, what happened? Air pressure in the northern part of India will fall. The temperature ranges between 46 degrees Celsius to 47 degrees Celsius in the northwestern parts of the country. Strong, dry, hot winds, which is called as Loo, they used to blow during day over the north and the northwestern India. They are so much dry winds. And you know that we are putting ointments or vaselines on our lips, and we are putting creams on our body so that we can keep the moisture of the body. If the loo is over there, then our lips become dry, our body becomes dry. Is it clear? So loo, which is a very hot and dry wind, it used to blow during this time. Dust storms from Rajasthan side also occur during this month, and the storm brings sometime light rain with them. In the coastal plains, the weather is not very hot because of the influence of the sea. We have discussed it in the previous video, that how the distance from the sea is affecting the climate. We have discussed about the land breeze, we have discussed about the sea breeze. Is it clear? So coastal plains, what happened, my dear student? In the coastal plains, the weather is not very hot during the summer season even. However, the humidity in the coastal areas is very high. First of all, what is humidity? Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. Is it clear? So the amount of water vapor in the air which is present when in the coastal plains is very high. In the hills and higher up, the summers are cool and not too hot because of the height, the temperature, because with the height the temperature falls. We have discussed it in the previous video, how the altitude or height above the sea level is affecting the climate. I have told you, if we are climbing a mountain with the advent of 100 meter, 1 degree Celsius temperature will decrease. Is it clear? So with the height, temperature falls. Now that is the main reason why many people from the plain areas visit hill stations like Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling, Ooty, Mount Abu, Shimla, etc. during the summer season. So with this we have finished with our first two seasons. In our next video we will take southwest monsoon season and retreating monsoon season. Thank you.